Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how we can disable the auto spelling and auto checking of mistakes feature inside your account on Microsoft Loop. So let us dive into this. Navigate to your workspace on Microsoft Loop, and for this method guys you will need to access your account settings. You may do that by clicking into that gear icon in the top right and by selecting settings. From there navigate to languages and here select settings, and after that what you want to do is expand the corrections tab here, and under spelling expand it again, and from there you may for example go with one of these options, or here under inline editing disable the autocorrect, and that's it. You don't need to save anything manually, simply switch it on or off, or reset to default if you'd like to keep the default settings like the auto correction. And that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.